I'm all in favor of keeping it simple. You don't need to be posting daily. You don't need to be hiring professional photographers and videographers all the time. You really just need to use social media in a way that lets your audience get to know you better.
This is Curb Appeal.
Well, welcome everyone. We're so excited to have you guys listening in. I am here with the one and only Maris Callahan, the founder of The Social Broker, which is a social media and content membership and agency that's tailored to real estate agents. What tools do you use? Like, how specifically is your business tailoring to them and assisting them in building their social media and their brand?
So, really, at the end of the day, social media is sort of a long game. You will get out what you put in, and you're not going to see results right away. You want to have that personal content out there and make the connections. And then you want to have the business content out there so that it establishes you as an expert, as a thought leader. You know, if you have a photo of you with your dog and the next post is a stat about interest rates, we all know what's going to get more traction. But the important part about having that interest rate post out there is that, you know, someone who's scrolling the feed, who's thinking of working with you, might see that and they might be able to think, okay, this person knows what they're talking about. So that's where you do want to have that balance between the content that's engaging and the content that positions you as an expert at what you do. Now, I find, and this is certainly just my observation, professional photos perform way better than a photo that I take on my iPhone, but I don't see professional video performing any better than a video that you do on your own at home. Social media doesn't need to be all pretty all the time, right? You want to be real, and like if a deal falls through, get on stories and talk about what happened.